Now let us see the basic structure of a C program. Different programming languages have their own format of coding. The main C program contains following contents, including header files, macro definitions, global declarations, main module, declarations and statements, user-defined functions or submodules. The complete structure of a C program is preprocessor statements, global declarations, main function, open brace, declarations, statements, close brace, user-defined functions. Preprocessor statements. These statements begin with hash symbol and also called the preprocessor directives. These direct the C processor to include header files and also symbolic constants into a C program. Some of the preprocessor statements are given below. Hash include stdio.h for the standard input-output functions. Hash include test.h for file inclusion of header file test. The preprocessor statements begin with a hash symbol. The hash include directives instructs the C compiler to add the contents of an include file into the program during compilation. An include file is a separate disk file that contains information needed by the program or the compiler. Several of these files or header files are supplied with the C compiler. Most C programs require one or more include files. The main function. Every C program starts with its execution from the main function only. No C program is executed without the main function. C program is just a collection of set of functions and every function contains set of instructions. Main is also one of the functions. The function main should be written in lowercase and should not be terminated by a semicolon. It calls other library functions and user-defined functions. There must be one and only one main function in every C program. Braces. Every C program uses a pair of curly braces. The left brace indicates the beginning of the main function. On the other hand, the right brace indicates end of the main function. The braces can also be used to indicate the beginning and end of user-defined functions and the compound statements. Declarations. The declaration is a part of the C program where all the variables, arrays, functions, etc. used in the C program are declared and variables may be initialized with the basic data types. Statements. These are instructions to the computer to perform some specific operations. The statements can be classified as input-output statements, arithmetic statements, control statements. Statements also include comments. Let's see comments. Comments are explanatory notes on some of the instructions. The comments may appear anywhere in a program and are placed within the delimiters /* and */. multiple line comments or after / single line comment. That is, the statements to be commented on must be enclosed within / and / or placed after /. They can be used to provide explanation for the general program logic, purpose of program, author, and date. Commenting code is a sound programming practice and makes code self-documenting. The comments are not compiled and executed. That is, they are ignored by the compiler. Function definitions. Every C program consists of one or more modules called functions, one of which is the main function. In its simplest form, the function consists of a name followed by a pair of empty parentheses and a pair of braces. Parentheses defined with functions are used for passing values to functions. Within the braces are statements that make up the body of the function. Program execution starts at the first statement in main and terminates at the last statement in the main. We have not even seen a single program so far highlighting the use of the new line character or escape sequences for that matter. Please do not discuss this at this juncture. Now let us see user-defined functions. These are subprograms. Generally, a subprogram is a function. The user-defined function contains a set of statements to perform a specific task. These are written by the user. Hence, the name user-defined functions. They may be written before or after the main function. Consider the following example.